Well, my house was in the nice place this morning. We got a little rain.
You're lucky because, I mean, a lot of folks didn't see the rain today, especially here in Austin. We saw a trace at both the airport and Mabry, but some folks, depending on which side of town you lived on, were lucky like you were.
That's about a quarter inch where I live.
That is some good stuff. We actually even saw some hail as this front moved down to the south near San Antonio this afternoon. And the bulk of the rain did fall off towards the east, so we did get some moving with this boundary, and now it's just a little bit warmer outside. You can still see we have a little boundary of clouds also to the north of Austin this evening, right through Williamson County, also towards Lee County and Fayette County, and a few showers off towards the east as well. Got a couple of thunderstorms moving through Kerr County this evening as well. So we've got some scattered showers and thunderstorms out there. As far as the rainfall totals go, those have been not terribly impressive across most of the area this evening. I want to show you those numbers, looking at anywhere from about near a ½ inch in Bastrop. You notice those, you got closer to the city of Austin, rainfall really was non-existent, although we did have a little bit near Oak Hill, maybe about a 1/10 of an inch of rain. And then as you got into Williamson County, just south of Jarrell, we had about 3/4 of an inch of rain. That was one of our heavier spots that we saw the rainfall, but most of that stuff kind of fell apart as it slid off towards the south. Now this evening, temperatures have actually warmed up just a little bit because the dew point numbers have gone down, so that air mass is becoming a little bit more comfortable. We had dew point numbers in the 60s and 70s before the front, very sticky air in place. That front came through, and the drier air is in place right now. So it's going to stay more comfortable for at least the next 24 to 36 hours, but that trend is the humidity is going to start to rise, and by the start of the weekend, it's going to feel muggy once again, and that's going to increase those heat index values back into the near triple-digit range, especially by Sunday afternoon. So tomorrow, we get a little bit of a break. We're going to see some drier air in place. Temperatures right now outside, we are sitting at 93, so that is officially our high temperature for the day. You notice that dew point number at about 53 right now, so a lot drier air in place. It's more comfortable outside, and the heat index value is only about 90 right now, which is still warm. Don't get me wrong, it's still warm, but not as bad as yesterday and the afternoon before when we factored in that humidity, and the numbers were about 99 to 100. ET readings across the area have recovered nicely behind that frontal boundary. Wasn't much of a cold front, just brought some drier air in, and we'll be dealing with that throughout the night tonight and tomorrow. You'll notice the winds generally out of a north to northeasterly direction through the overnight hours tonight and again tomorrow. That's going to keep that dry air in place, but you'll notice later in the day tomorrow the winds start to creep back around to the east and eventually out of the southeast as we head in towards tomorrow night and Saturday. That will introduce back that Gulf moisture into our area. Unfortunately, it's not going to be bringing rainfall with it, but it is going to be bringing that humidity back up, and we'll be enjoying more muggy conditions as we head through Saturday and Sunday and for the start of next work week. So tonight, expecting an overnight low to drop down to 67. That's actually a couple of degrees below normal tonight, so I guess we can say the cold front has arrived. Northeast winds at about 5 to 10. Tomorrow, though, not going to be that cool. We'll see 90 for the afternoon high, which is seasonal for this time of the year. Winds will generally be out of the northeast early, east most of the afternoon, and then southeast late in the day at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now, looking ahead at the next 7 days, we are going to see temperatures climbing to around 93 on Saturday. Heat index values will top off about 95 to 98 Saturday and about 96 to 99 on Sunday. We'll see an afternoon high actually at 92 Sunday. And then we're going to keep a good deal of cloud cover in the forecast for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next work week. Lots of humidity as well, and afternoon highs in the lower 90s.